time to waste an opportunity, and whilst the other boys are now in stitches realising what's going on, I shout out to the boss I was talking to here through the phone, "Hey, hook me up!" The boy's losing even more, and he's got the shits, and she's trying to get out of a bloody awkward phone call with her dad. Leaves the crib room, life carries on. It gets better though. Later in the afternoon, I'm starting to pack up for the day.
The card is full of the locked videos. Please delete unnecessary files in time.
Mate, what do you mean?
Visiting average speed zone.
He kind of helped it on its way. Hip high, off the meat, bisecting the boundary fielders.
If you're as powerful as him, you don't have to hit it too hard, but there's temptation to do so.
Didn't even look.
To continue on Northland Road.